Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. A pleasant stories and anecdotes narrated by Hazrat Masih Maud alayhi salatu wassalam. Story of a lazy man. I remember a story about a foolish man. As the story goes, a foolish man had a water pot with a hole in it. Whenever he would go to answer the call of nature, before he could manage to relieve himself and then subsequently clean himself, all the water would drain out of his pot. Finally, after many days of thought and reflection, the bright solution that he came up with was that he began to clean himself with the water first before relieving himself, and he was very pleased with his solution. My opponent has come up with an insight and solution that is as clever as this foolish man.